In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save as draft in Card.co. If you're building a site in Card and want to pause without publishing anything live, saving an offline draft is the perfect way to keep your work safe while you continue later. Here's how to do it from start to finish. Start by heading to Card.co and signing into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see your existing sites and the option to start something new. We're going to begin a fresh project so we can walk through the draft saving flow together. Click New Site. This opens Card's template library. You can pick any layout you like. For this walkthrough, choose something simple so you can focus on the process rather than design. You can preview a template before selecting it, and when you're ready, load it into the editor. Inside the editor, customize the template however you want. Replace the placeholder text, swap images, tweak colors, or adjust sections. You don't need to perfect everything right now. The goal is just to make a few edits, so you can see how saving a draft captures your current progress. When you're ready to save, look for the Publish button in the editor. Even though it says Publish, don't worry, you're not going to put the site live. Card groups all export and saving options in this panel, including the offline draft feature we want. When the publishing panel opens, you may see a few required fields. These typically include basics like a site title, and in some cases, other details. Go ahead and fill in the required fields so Card can proceed. It's fine to use placeholders here since we're not going live. Now look for the option labeled Save as an Offline Draft. This tells Card to package your current site as a draft file stored on your device rather than on the web. It won't be publicly accessible and nothing will be published. This is ideal when you want a snapshot of your work you can keep locally and revisit later. Click Save. Card will generate the draft and download it to your computer. Keep that file somewhere you'll remember, like a dedicated project folder. That way you can pick up right where you left off without risking accidental publication. And that's it. You've edited a template, opened the publishing panel, completed any required fields, saved as an offline draft, and confirmed the save. Use this method anytime you want to pause your build with confidence that your progress is safely stored and not visible to anyone else until you're ready to publish.